Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Good morning, good afternoon. Please, if you come across my video, I would like you to do me one favor. Please share the program, bring your family, bring your friends, and invite your lovers, invite everyone, because this video today will be very, very interesting. And I know you're going to like it, right? It's going to be a very interesting one, and you're going to like it very, very well. Please, bring your neighbor, your families, anyone. You want to go join this segment? Let us do it accordingly. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, you guys have gotten the information that all the Eastern content creators have finally filed a petition against me, that anytime I come back to Nigeria, that I'm going to be apprehended because of one thing that I asked Jpac. Onyeshim, that he's tired of bending, that they are going to arrest me because Namshi Jpac, all I require is examine your ass. And you accepted the challenge, which I have the evidence where you accepted the challenge. Guys, please share this video as you are joining, because share the video before I proceed. Now that all the content creators are planning and raising money to arrest me, Bikono, I got erase ego to make sure that I got Jpac come examine. All I require that Igbo puti kegi I get marry like that test. In a worry now about other content creators and that. You're gonna arrest Ogechi. I mean, what is the big deal there? For you, hey, after that, you're welcome. All of you guys are welcome. Biko, Jpac, there is no cause for alarm. Honestly speaking, there is no cause for alarm. All you need to do is to do just a simple thing. You accepted the challenge. You said I was lying against you, that everything that happened, that it never happened like that. Now, I just want you guys to please help me Joram Jpac. Why is he dodging away from the simple exam? There is no need of all this dodging exam, and you say you're not in saga. You will also come and saga. You will also be sagaring. You will also be threatening others that you're going to saga them, but you don't want to face a beef. You see that many people are calling me, I'm not paying attention to every other person. Now you are the target. So I am not even paying attention to all these cheap bloggers that you have paid. You want to go? So I just want you to know that I am still waiting for the day you and I gagale this week. And I'm battery also. We have a battery also. I just want you to know that I have battery also. Now, anyway, places that I will touch before I will start your message. I'm the places that I'm going to touch. Now let's go here. I want us to watch this video before we continue. Guys, please share the video as you're joining. Share the video, alert other saga members. We will continue. Alan. Morning. No. You can't end the military in him. Yeah. Chai, my die-hard fan. So I hope the one you're wearing, Ahuga, no, can't get a wife, can't get a condom wine. The day we went there, even with the Kaham, but I'm maybe do it. I want to Kaham no, hey, can't carry me, but I'm maybe do it. I don't know. I've been looking for it. It will try. Thank you, my love. Yeah, and can't carry anymore. Make a career. What that should I be? Military wives. That day they gave it to us. We got another thing in here. No, a lot of things in here. Mama, they been doing it herself. No. Nah, share. First 300 people to share. Drop your answer. First 300 people to share. Drop your answer. First 300 to share. First 300 to share. Drop your answer. Yeah, and about Christmas. Christmas all day again, man. Now, I want us to listen to this video. I want us to listen to this video because again, the video I'm about to play. First top 300 to share. First top. When they collect you want to go? I won't want Jpac and I say, don't give them any money. Don't give them any money. Because someone say, a shower no be what. Don't give them any money. If you give, I'm not a wife that pretend to be who she's not, but na complete a shower where she be. I'm always a very simple. Now, I would like us. Okay, yes, he's calling me now. Hello? Hello? Yeah, what's up? I walk in the now in our home. If I'm a man's like phone, you should know what's going on. I don't understand. No, look at me, Shishio. Are you not the one that called me and pick up my call? No, look at me, Shishio. Not the one. I'm beautiful. What kind of nonsense be this? Hey, you call me, say they do life. I picked up your call. See, you don't believe me. And you sit down to say, if they talk, you know they talk. Anyway, make una leave me, John. Make I do what I want to do. Okay, I love you. I have, yeah, keep sharing. 3 phones. Now, get video. Open confession. Until this year, take a hit 1, take a hit 2, take a hit and they can answer your language. Now, now, wedding in Jpac. Upon another war. Margata 25 days to 26. You have 27 Sunday, a joker. Monday 28. Maybe the Monday bucket of war. After. Covering your I got off. No wonder. Ekurumiku, Niana Jpac Abahaka. Ekurumiku, Niana Jpac Rimwe. No Bahaka. Mana, Totan no da Paki watches. Jpac is it. Obuna Mua Black and Nita, the Abadia. Niaga, go to the moon for this year. Oh, yeah, we will. What's the Papa Jpac? We're going to look the moon to talk. This year, I'll go. Come by the area of you, can't go up to go for Cosiade. I am the woman can you do when you're born, where that is Jpac. Can't go back. And that was like a What is happening with my life?